In this video, I will show you how to increase music quality in your Premiere Pro. Well, it's very easy to do it, so make sure you have to select your audio clips. So this is my music clip here and I've selected it. Now, once you have selected it, you have to go to the effects center. If you're not able to find the effects center, it's very easy. Go to the top menu bar in the Windows section, make sure there's a tick mark beside effects, right? And now then it will show it here. So now you have to choose dynamic processing, click and hold, drag it to your audio or music. And once you're here, then in the back to the effects control, you will find this option of custom setup. Under dynamic processing, go and click to edit. Once you're here, now here you will have to find stereo rock mix, right? Or basically you can just select any other one too. So here we will select the stereo rock mix, right? So this is a good one which I have found it, and that is done. Now you don't have to do anything. Close. Now again go to the effects center here, and basically you have to find multi-band compressor, right? So this is multi-band compressor, and just click and hold and drag it to the same audio clip, and here you will find another option of edit under multi-band compressor. This is a drop down, so you can just click and open it up. And now we will just click on edit, and here in the preset we have to find a bass. So basically tight bass, right? This is one tighter bass. Make sure you select it, and this is done. Now close it. Now let me show you the difference. So this is a normal clip. As you can see here, there's a no effects here, and this is the audio which we have edited here. This is effects. So now I will just play it out for you guys. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.